Interior design trends are changing fast, and if you're still following these trends, your home is already starting to feel outdated in 2026. Number 8. Double kitchen islands. At number 8, we have double kitchen islands. They're one of those trends that look impressive at first, but in real life, they're a design mistake. Many homeowners saw this idea in large luxury homes and tried to bring it to their own spaces. The result? It felt forced, as most kitchens don't have enough space to support two islands properly. Movement becomes awkward, and the natural walking path gets interrupted. This setup can also create confusion in how the space is meant to be used, especially during busy cooking hours. A single large island does the job much better. It gives you enough workspace, seating, and storage without breaking the layout. It also helps keep the kitchen looking clean and organized. When there are two islands, the design starts to feel loaded. The space loses its balance, and instead of looking premium, it feels overdone. In daily use, one island is easier to manage, easier to clean, and more practical for cooking and serving. It also allows better interaction for people in the kitchen, making the space feel more connected. Now let's move on to another trend that looks good at first, but becomes difficult to manage over time. Number 7. Open shelves. Another trend that is slowly losing its appeal is excessive open shelving. Open shelves can look great on Pinterest, and they do add a light and airy feel to the kitchen or living space. So what's the problem? It starts when people use too many of them. Once you place everyday items on open shelves, the space quickly looks cluttered. Plates, cups, jars, and random items make it messy. It becomes harder to maintain a clean and polished look when everything is always on display. Cleaning also becomes a constant task. Dust builds up faster than expected, and you have to keep everything arranged neatly all the time. That level of maintenance doesn't suit most lifestyles. Closed cabinets exist for a reason. They hide the mess and keep the space looking calm. A better approach is to mix both. Use a few open shelves for display items and keep the rest of your storage closed. This way you still get the aesthetic benefit without dealing with the downsides every day. It also gives you more flexibility to change your display without affecting the whole space. When it comes to furniture, trends are also starting to shift in a different direction. Number 6. Bulky furniture. Puffy and bulky furniture, often called marshmallow-style sofas, is another trend that's starting to feel outdated. These pieces focus heavily on comfort, yet they ignore proportion and balance. When a sofa takes up too much space, it makes the room feel smaller. It also limits how you arrange other furniture around it. In many cases, it becomes difficult to create a proper layout because one item dominates everything else. Comfort is important, and no one wants a stiff or uncomfortable sofa. The issue comes when comfort is pushed so far that the design suffers. A well-designed sofa should support your body and also fit the space nicely. Slimmer profiles with good cushioning offer a better balance. They keep the room looking open while still giving you a comfortable place to sit. Oversized sofas often become the only thing people notice in a room, and that takes attention away from everything else. They can also make cleaning and movement around the room more difficult. Color choices are also changing quickly, and this is where the difference becomes very noticeable. Number 5. White and gray interiors. All white and all gray interiors have been everywhere for years, and now they're starting to feel repetitive. These color schemes became popular because they look clean and modern. Many people still like them, and they aren't going away. The problem is that they lack personality when used without variation. A fully white or fully gray space can feel flat over time. It may look good at first, yet it doesn't hold interest for long. Adding color brings life into a room. This doesn't mean using bold or bright shades everywhere. Even small touches like warm wood tones, soft pastels, or muted earthy colors can make a big difference. A gray sofa with textured rug and wooden accents feels more inviting than a plain gray setup. The goal is to create depth and interest while keeping the space comfortable and easy to live in. It also allows you to adjust the look over time without changing everything. Another trend that's fading comes from a style that was once very popular. Number 4. Farmhouse kitsch. Farmhouse kitsch is another style that's losing its charm. The idea of farmhouse design started with natural materials and simple finishes, but over time, it turned into something very different. Many spaces became filled with decorative signs, fake rustic items, and unnecessary accessories. These elements often feel forced and outdated now. The space starts to look more like a theme setup rather than a real home. People are moving back towards authenticity. Real wood, simple cabinetry, and functional features create a better farmhouse-inspired look. A farmhouse sink or natural wood table adds character without making the space feel like a theme. Too many decorations make a room feel busy. Keeping things simple and meaningful works much better in the long run. It also makes the space easier to update without removing everything. There's also a style that was once very popular and is now slowly fading away. Number 3. Open layouts. Fully open layouts were very popular for years, especially in modern homes. People liked the idea of having one large connected space for the kitchen, dining, and living area. It felt open and social at first, but over time, many homeowners faced practical issues. Imagine the sound of a juicer that's easily heard across the home, cooking smells that spread everywhere, and it becomes harder to find privacy. Designers are now moving back towards more defined spaces. Now, this doesn't mean closing everything off completely. It means giving each area a clear purpose. Partial walls, glass dividers, or even furniture placement can help create separation. This makes the home feel more organized and easier to live in. It also allows better control over lighting, sound, and overall comfort. This shift shows that people now value function and privacy just as much as openness. Now let's look at a trend that looks stylish on Pinterest but often fails in real daily use. Number 2. Perfect home. Many interiors today are designed to look perfect in photos. Every cushion is placed neatly, every surface is styled, and nothing looks out of place. This creates a very polished look, and the problem with that is that it looks unrealistic. Homes like this can feel uncomfortable to use because everything seems too arranged and untouchable. Designing only for appearance usually leads to spaces that don't match day-to-day usage. Furniture may look good, but feel impractical. Over time, maintaining that perfect look becomes tiring. People end up either constantly adjusting things or giving up the design completely. The trend in 2026 is shifting towards lived-in spaces that feel natural and personal. Designers are focusing more on comfort, usability, and individuality instead of perfection. A home should support your lifestyle first and then look good as a result. Spaces that feel real always last longer than ones designed only for photos. Materials are another area where quality is becoming much more noticeable now. Number 1. Fake marbles. Fake marble, especially marble laminate, is another trend that's being avoided more often in 2026. At a glance, it might look similar to real marble, yet the difference becomes clear quickly. And this is where most people get it wrong. The texture, pattern, and overall feel don't match the real material. This makes the space look less premium, even if the rest of the design is well done. Over time, the artificial look becomes more noticeable. There are better alternatives that look honest and still fit different budgets. Quartz is a popular option because it offers durability and a clean look. Butcher block adds warmth and works well in kitchens. Even simple stone or matte finishes can look great when used properly. The focus is shifting towards materials that feel real and natural instead of trying to copy something else. These choices also tend to last longer and age better.